Hey everybody, welcome back to Easy Cooking with Gary. Today I'm making chicken salad my way. First of all, I got a rotisserie chicken, deboned it and I shredded it, and this is 3 cups of it right here. To that, I'm going to add 2 hard-boiled eggs I've already diced up. Now, since I got that in there, I'm going to add my seasoning. Now this is my go-to seasoning. Garlic jalapeno. It has dried onion, dried garlic, dried salt, dried pepper, citrus. It even has bell pepper, dried bell pepper in it. It's just a good all-around seasoning. So I'm gonna put that, shake this up a little bit. Okay. Now, I've got 1 cup of a seasoned blend. This is frozen and everything. It has some diced celery in it, onions, and some red bell pepper in it. And I've got 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish. And give that a little stir here. Alright, to that, I'm going to add some mayonnaise, and it's probably anywhere from a 1/3 cup to 3/4 of a cup. You just have to play it by ear, depending on how much chicken you use. Okay, that looks about right. So now I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and I'm going to let it chill for a little bit. I like my chicken salad to be cold when I eat it. And then I'm going to fix some bread. I'm going to toast some bread and some just regular white bread too. So I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, we're back and the chicken salad is cooled off. I made a couple of pieces of toast. And I like it both ways, on toast and without. Let's try it here. That's some good stuff right there. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video here. And look at there, I've got some brownies in the oven that's fixing to come out. That right there, with some caramel topping on it. Okay everybody, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye.